So it seems like you guys were correct when you said that that the Wednesday lecture slot was not on your schedule. I can imagine how it happened, and it was with all the changes that the registrar was doing to make sure that people got classrooms and didn't get classrooms, and when we moved from being in the classroom to being online for the lectures, they just messed up and didn't put it in. I'm reworking the syllabus a little bit here, and I know that I can get everything in if I only use 3 of those Wednesday slots. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to do a Zoom on the first 3 Wednesdays of the term. So today, next Wednesday, and the Wednesday after. And I'm going to do that at 11 o'clock instead of at 8 o'clock. It's a better time for me. And I know that not all of you will be able to make that, but it'll be recorded. You'll be able to see it. All of the links to the Zooms and the lecture notes and everything will be live in just a few minutes here before that lecture. Indeed, when they moved the schedule around so that we would do the online lectures, they deleted Wednesday. I have verified that for all of the other terms this year, they haven't yet screwed it up, and there is a Wednesday scheduled. But this term, we managed to make that mistake. But I think we'll overcome it, and we'll be able to move forward. So I'll see you at 11.